Guys, let's see what's inside this LED henge lamp that is used for camping, for closet, for decorations. As you can see, there are a bunch of languages here. So let's open. So this is the lamp that was inside. Let's open and see what's here. You can see batteries. Now we will open those screws to see what's inside. So guys, this is what was inside this lamp. This LED diode, this resistor, those cables, those wires, sorry, this switch, a rope switch that is pulled up with this rope. Well guys, have a nice day.